Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Google application. After that, click here on the right upper corner and tap to the settings. Then just go to the Google Assistant section and scroll down to the general options. And after that, just to activate the assistant, we should click here on the ones on the switcher and confirm our action by click again to turn on. And that's it. As can you see, the Google Assistant is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.